Hello students, welcome back to our geography class. In the previous class, we discussed about heat zones of the earth and longitudes. Today, we are going to learn longitude and time and Indian Standard Time. Now we are going to discuss longitude and time. The best means of measuring time by the movement of the earth, the moon and the planets. The sun regularly rises and sets every day, and naturally it is the best timekeeper throughout the world. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise and sunset. Next, with the help of longitude, you can calculate time of any place on the earth. So, you know about the prime meridian. This is the prime meridian. The 0-degree longitude is known as prime meridian. We calculate time based on the prime meridian that runs along this Greenwich. When the prime meridian of Greenwich has the sun at the highest point in the sky, all the places along the meridian will have midday or noon. And those places east of Greenwich, that is 0-degree, will be ahead of Greenwich time. And those places west of Greenwich, that is 0-degree, will be behind of Greenwich time. Now see in the picture, you will be very clear after watching this picture. As you can see 0-degree longitude, that is at Greenwich. As you go to left of the Greenwich, the time is less. It means going left to the Greenwich, that is the verse, the time is subtracted. It is mentioned with negative sign. Now, going to opposite in the east, the time is added. It is mentioned positive sign. So, going to east of Greenwich, time is added, and going to west of Greenwich, time is subtracted. Okay students, is it clear? Yes. Now, you know the earth rotates 360-degree in about 24 hours. So, it covers 360-degree longitude in the 24 hours and it covers 15-degree longitude in 1 hour. So, 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, I repeat, the earth rotates 360-degree in about 24 hours. 360-degree is equal to 24 hours. 50-degree which is equal to 1 hour and 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15-degree east of Greenwich will be 15 into 4 minutes, that is 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time, which means 1 p.m. 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. 15-degree into 4 minutes is equal to 60 minutes or 1 hour. That is 12 noon plus 1 hour is equal to 1 p.m. So, the time at 15-degree east at Greenwich will be 1 p.m. if it is 12 noon at Greenwich. But at 15-degree west of Greenwich, the time will be behind Greenwich time. You know, the time will be behind Greenwich because we are talking about verse, that is left side. The calculations is the same here as in the east. 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes, 15 degree equal to 1 hour. the time will be behind Greenwich. That is, time will be 12 noon minus 1 hour, which is equal to 11 am. Similarly, at 180 degree, it will be midnight when it is 12 noon at Greenwich. Next, Indian Standard Time. So, the local time of places which are on different meridians are bound to differ. For example, it will be difficult to prepare a timetable for trains which cross several longitudes. So, it is therefore necessary to adopt the local time of some central meridian of a country as the standard time for the country. So, in India, the longitude at 82 1/2 degree east is treated as the standard meridian. This meridian is taken as the standard time for the whole country. It is also known as Indian Standard Time. Its short form is IST. So, now in India, for instance, there will be a difference of about 1 hour and 45 minutes in the local times of Dwaraka in Gujarat and in Assam. So, you know, this is the 0 degree prime meridian. You can see the another line, that is Indian Standard Time, which 82 1/2 degree east, India extends between 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. So, India longitudinal extent is 97 degree 25 minutes minus 68 degree 7 minutes. We get 30 degree. You know 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. So, 30 degree will be equal to 30 into 4 minutes. That is 120 minutes. That is equal to 2 hours. We can also say that there will be a difference of about 2 hours in the local times of Dwaraka in Gujarat and in Assam. As you can see in the picture, in the center it is the Indian Standard Time, which is that 82 1/2 degree east, and in the westward point Dwaraka in Gujarat and in the eastward point in Assam. Students, you all know the sun rises in the east, but if the sun rises at 5 am in the Assam, sun will rise in Dwaraka at 5 am plus 2 hours. That is equal to 7 am in the morning. Let us recap the section. In today's class, first we have learned longitude and time. So, you can understand time is calculated on the basis of prime meridian. Next, Indian Standard Time. India has the IST as its standard time because if it wouldn't have been there, the country would have difference of 2 hours. Hence, IST is an important meridian of longitude. So, the second lesson is over. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.